To scale the object, to make it bigger or smaller, over to the left, there is a scale icon. Clicking on the scale icon, if we just drag one of these, we can scale it. We can scale it in a specific axis, or if we just click over here, we can scale all of it. Now, there's also a different way. So if we go back to the select, now if we do S and drag our mouse outwards, it'll make the object bigger. Now, if we click S again and move it towards the object, it'll make it smaller. So when you're using the scale shortcut, you click S on your keyboard, and then as you're moving your mouse outwards from that little dot, so you see the little dot in the object, that's the center point of the object. So when you're moving away from the center point, click S, moving away, you'll make the object bigger. Now to scale downwards, you want to have your mouse away from the center point, then click S and then move your mouse towards the center point. So this will make your object smaller. So again, using the Blender shortcut, and I know there's a lot of these, so it takes time to remember them, it'll definitely improve your workflow in Blender.